Come test drive the 2010 Matrix. Fuel efficient and practical, the Toyota Matrix boasts a cavernous 48.9 cubic feet of cargo space and convenient anti-slip rubber strips in the cargo floor. The 1.8-liter dual overhead cam, 16-valve four-cylinder in Matrix features dual independent variable valve timing with intelligence, allowing cam timing to be adjusted to suit a broad range of conditions. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, fog lamps, steel wheels, front wheel drive, wheel covers, four-wheel disc brakes. Come see the car for yourself.